Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Epify. So today in this video I'm gonna show you how to make groups on Snapchat. So without getting further delay, let's jump into our video. First of all, open Snapchat. Make sure you have already downloaded Snapchat on your device. Now go to your camera as we are already here, and then tap on chat icon that is located on bottom left corner. Tap on it. Now you can see chat icon on right side. Tap on it. This is for new chat. Now here you can see new group. Tap on it. Now here add your friends to your new group, and then tap on new group name. Let me give group name test, and now tap on chat with group. So you have successfully created group on your Snapchat. If you want to add members, then you can simply tap on add members button. So in this way you can make group on Snapchat. So that is it for today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.